the word program to refer to a set of planned activities or events. Training program, education program, fitness program. The company offers a training program to help employees develop new skills. She enrolled in an education program that focuses on early childhood development, and he started a fitness program to improve his health and stamina. To indicate a schedule or plan for broadcasting. NEN TV program, radio program, news program. And watch a TV program every evening before dinner. A news to radio program airs every morning at 8 a.m. The news program provides updates every hour. To refer to software or a computer application. Computer program, software program, mobile program. The computer program crashed unexpectedly during the update. We need to install the latest software program to improve. Security. She developed a mobile program for managing tasks and deadlines, to organize or plan the content of an event or activity. Program a meeting, program a schedule, program an event. We need to program a meeting with the entire team to discuss the strategy, and the staff is working hard to program the schedule for the conference. They will program the event so that it runs smoothly throughout the day. To control or set a machine or device to perform specific tasks. Program the device, program the thermostat, program the timer. You can program the device to automatically turn off after 1 hour. She learned how to program the thermostat to save energy. The timer is programmed to turn the lights on at 7 p.m.